Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. As you can probably guess from the title of this video, I'm going to be cutting my own hair. I'm not a hairstylist. I just get bored with my hair and late at night I'm like, yeah, let's mess it up. I've been getting really into TikTok lately, like it's consuming my life, and everybody is posting their hair cutting videos on there, like going from normal hair to bangs, and I've seen so many that it has given me the courage to cut my own bangs. I've never done this before. I had bangs once in 7th grade and I didn't know how to style my hair back then, and I don't think it was really done very well, so they were tragic, and I think I wore them like the first day of school, and after that I just figured out ways to hide them. But we're hoping that today goes better. So recently Brad Mondo released a video on how to cut your own bangs at home, so I'm mostly going to be following his tutorial. Lately I've been kind of tired of my hair, so I was thinking, let's freaking do this. I haven't changed my general hairstyle in a long time, so this might just be the change that I need. Worst case scenario, I shave my head. Shaved heads are in right now. Or I just go into hiding for a couple of months, which we're still on stay-at-home orders, so like, if you are excited for this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see me do other stupid stuff to my hair. Now let's get to it. I am so nervous. Why am I sweating? I'm just doing side swept bangs. I'm not doing like straight across yet. If this goes well, I might. But it's not that big of a deal. Hair grows back very slowly. Okay, so I have my mirror over here, so I will be looking that way a lot throughout the video. I straighten my hair. My hair is normally naturally curly, and I do not want to cut my hair when it's naturally curly because I won't be wearing my bangs curly. So to come up from the top and then go down to your eyebrow. Did I do too much? I may have done too much. This is what I'm going to start with so far. If I need to add more, that's a lot easier than having to go backwards. So I have my shears right here. He used a razor blade in the video, but I don't have one of those, and honestly it kind of scared me a little bit, so we're going to be using scissors. Okay, I'm going to start on this side, comb it all out, start kind of mouth level just to be sure, and I'm going to be going at an angle. Oh, I can't do this. Maybe it would have been easier with a razor, honestly. These scissors suck. I thought about getting a cape for this, but people are only shipping essentials right now, and weird enough, that's not considered an essential. So I'm kind of cutting it at an angle. Watching the hair falling is very nerve-wracking. Okay, so that isn't as even as I'd like it to be, so I'm going to do some more cutting. Make it look more of a diagonal cut. It's looking better. I'm gonna try and just add some touch-ups, maybe do some layering. Okay, I think my issue is when I combed it down to cut it, I combed it like this instead of like this, but that's how my hair naturally falls. Alright, I think I'm going to leave that side for now and go to the other side, and then I will do some more touch-ups when I have them both. I'm going to make sure I cut the first one at the same length. Now I have this as kind of like a guide. So much hair is coming off. If I have the time and mental stability to do it, I will also be trimming the bottom of my hair because it needs it. I ended up adding a little bit more hair on this side because it just was looking kind of uneven with the other side. That was a really bad cut, but I'm going to fix it. Okay, we like kind of have some bangs here. They still look really uneven. I don't know. I'm trying to give it a little bit of texture in here because it looks very blunt. So this side is definitely shorter than this side. I'm gonna try and also clean that up. Okay, it looks like the same length as this side, but this side looks different. Maybe I should add more texture into this side. It's still looking kind of weird and choppy on this side. We're gonna style them, we're gonna see how it looks, and if I need to, I will proceed to keep cutting. Just kidding, I should probably match this up with the other sections of my hair because that just kind of looks weird. I just keep telling myself, it's gonna look better, it's gonna look better. Better look better. Oh, that was so much hair, oh my gosh. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Okay, so I tried to like curl them back a little bit. I think when I tried to match it up with the other length of my hair, that was kind of a stupid thing. I butchered that because that's making it look really strange, but I don't think it looks, okay, not like that, but I don't think it looks that bad. I don't know. I'm really tempted to add some shorter pieces in here. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna straighten these bangs out again. I'm gonna go to my hairstylist in a couple months and she's gonna be like, so, tiny bit from each side. Just gonna take little pieces and cut. Okay, why am I like actually liking that? Okay, I'm like not mad at how it turned out. There are some pieces that are still too long because it's in my eyes. I definitely could have done a better job making it even on both sides. Like, ugh. My cat's, oh, there she is. She's joining the video. I might still cut it a little bit shorter because if I want it actually down over my forehead, that's really gonna get in the way. And these are kind of curled at the moment, so I've been leaving a pile of hair from when I cut the long strands on my desk, and she just sat in the entire pile. And we have the finished product. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I was expecting to go for more straight wispy bangs, but when I curled it with my hair straightener, I actually kind of like it. It is still pretty close to my eyes, so if it does grow out, I will need to trim it. I like it. Like, it doesn't look bad if I just like swoop them to the side, but then I can also that and have actual bangs. Hair doesn't want to go right here because of my natural part, which is an issue. I thought that this was gonna go a lot worse than it turned out. I'm actually happy with this, and I might still like tweak with it for another hour because I've been filming this for far too long. I'm pretty happy. In the future, I think I will get my bangs cut by a hairstylist just to save me time and stress, but I'm not gonna have to shave my head. I'm not gonna have to go into hiding for a couple months. I'm not gonna trim the bottom of my hair. I might still do that another day, but I don't want this video to be hella long and boring. I'm going to leave a link to the video that I use as an example from Brad Mondo in the description below if you wanna check that out and cut your own bangs. It feels like I have like a ton of hair in my mouth, so I don't advise talking while you're cutting your own hair. I don't even know how it got in there. I feel like I'm gonna cough up a hairball. Well, thank you so much for watching this journey of possibly destroying my hair with me. I hope you enjoyed it and found it at least a slight bit entertaining. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Is there anything else I have to say? Yeah, I think that's it. I will hopefully see you in my next video.